We are starting with the haloalkane and haloarene. So you have to study what is an alkane and what is an arene. Alkanes normal. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons having a general formula CnH2n plus 2. So general formula CnH2n plus 2. An example C2H6. That is CH3 ethane. So ethane is an alkane because it is having the formula CnH2n plus 2 C2H6. Structure is CH3 name is ethane. Now an alkyl group means that contain one carbon atom less CH2 that is ethyl. Ethyl group, ethyl radical. So this is an alkyl group. Alkyl. This is alkane and this is alkyl. So alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons having a general formula CnH2n plus 2. Here the carbon atoms are connected by single bond. So example is C2H6, CH3 ethyl. Ethyl means this is an alkyl group, one carbon hydrogen atom less than the alkane CH2 that is ethyl group. Now coming to arenes, arenes are benzene compounds. This is benzene. So the arene compounds mean haloarenes means halogen atom connected to benzene ring. Alkane means halogen atom connected to alkyl group. For example, CH3CH2Cl, ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. This is an haloalkane. Halogen atom connected to an alkyl group. Arenes is benzene. When a halogen is connected to this, that is called aryl halide. For example, when chlorine is connected, it is called chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene, that is an aryl halide. So this is alkyl halide and aryl halide. Alkyl halides are alkyl groups, one halogen atom connected to alkyl groups. Haloarenes means halogen atom connected to aryl group. Next is classification. Classification of alkyl halide. Classification of alkyl halide. The alkyl halides are classified into three: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and tertiary alkyl halide, depending upon the carbon to which the halogen atom is connected. Primary alkyl halide, halogen is connected to primary carbon atom, and in secondary alkyl halide, the halogen is connected to secondary carbon atom, and tertiary alkyl halide, the halogen is connected to tertiary carbon atom. So CH3, CH2Cl. Here halogen is connected to primary carbon atom. So it is a primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide, that is ethyl chloride or monochloroethyl. Ethyl chloride is a primary alkyl halide because halogen is connected to a primary carbon atom. Second is CH3, CHCl, CH3. So this is a secondary carbon atom. Secondary carbon atom. So it is a secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide. because the halogen is connected to a secondary carbon atom. This is 2-chloropropane. 2-chloropropane. Then third is tertiary. CH3C, CH3, CH3Cl. This is tertiary carbon atom, tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide. Name of the compound. I will name the compound. This contains 3 carbon atom. Longest chain is derivative propane. Second carbon atom contains a methyl group and a chlorine group. So this is 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane. 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane. So when halogen is connected to primary carbon atom, primary alkyl halide. Halogen connected to secondary carbon atom, secondary alkyl halide. And halogen connected to tertiary carbon atom, that is called a tertiary alkyl halide. The compound is 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane. This is 2-chloropropane and this is ethyl chloride. So that is the classification of the compounds. So next we have to study the preparations. How can you prepare this alkyl halides? Preparation. Preparation of the alkyl halides. How can you prepare the alkyl halides? So first preparation starting from alcohol. You can prepare alcohols. One from alcohol. From alcohols you can prepare the alkyl halides. That is the method uses concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride. Alcohols when react with concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride, they give corresponding alkyl halides. For example, CH3, CH2, OH, that is ethanol, when treated with concentrated HCl in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, they react to give water, so minus H2O. So that gives CH3, CH2Cl, ethyl chloride. So any alcohol when react with concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride, that gives corresponding alkyl halides. So the order of reactivity is here: tertiary alkyl halide immediately formed, then secondary alkyl halide, then primary alkyl halide. So tertiary alcohol that react to concentrated HCl immediately, suddenly, but secondary that gives after some time, and primary that will not react at that temperature. So order of reactivity: tertiary alcohol, secondary alcohol, primary alcohol. That's order of reactivity to give corresponding alkyl halides. That's the first method of preparation of alkyl halides starting from alcohols. So second is from PCl5 preparation. Use from alcohols when react with PCl5, that gives corresponding alkyl halides. So using PCl5, CH3, CH2OH when react with PCl5. What is PCl5? Phosphorus pentachloride. So the reaction is Cl, PCl3, Cl, and split will be like this to give CH3, CH2Cl, CH3, CH2Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. So these are the product in that. Ethyl chloride, phosphorus oxychloride and HCl. So alcohols react with PCl5 to give corresponding alkyl halides, phosphorus oxychloride and HCl. The next method is preparation again from alcohol using thionyl chloride, SOCl2, sulfur oxychloride, THION, thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride react with the alcohols SOCl2. So that gives corresponding Cl, SOCl and gives CH3, CH2, Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. So alcohol when react with thionyl chloride, that gives corresponding alkyl halide plus sulfur dioxide plus HCl. Now the importance of this reaction is you can prepare pure alkyl halide because sulfur dioxide and HCl are gases. So they escape out. So you will get pure alkyl halide. So can you obtain pure alkyl halide starting from alcohols? Alcohols when react with thionyl chloride, that gives alkyl halide plus sulfur dioxide and HCl, which are gases and will escape out. So you will get this in the pure form.